Hi everyone, welcome to the Just Getting Started with Jest course at the Test Automation University. In this course, you'll learn how to create automated tests with Jest. What is Jest? Jest is an open source testing framework that has become increasingly popular recently. Initially developed by Facebook, Jest makes it faster and easier to write JavaScript tests by having everything needed included in one framework. Jest comes with built-in mocking and assertion libraries, which also runs your test concurrently in parallel, providing faster test execution. By the end of this course, you should be able to create and execute tests in Jest. I am Toya Mamuji, and I will be your instructor for this course on Jest. Some background info on me. I'm a QA tech lead. I have about 16 years of test automation experience across multiple industries. You can find me on Twitter at TotiLFC, and you can follow my blog on toyam.wordpress.com. In this course, we will cover an intro to Jest. We will then proceed to installing Jest, and then start by writing your first Jest test. After that, we look at common matches in Jest and explain what matches are. We will also expand on the detail of the various matches that exist within Jest. We then look at before and after code, and we also find out how to run specific tests in Jest. We will then go into asynchronous testing in Jest and writing a test using async await. Finally, we look at snapshot testing and its uses. Some of the software and prerequisites to this course include the following, each of which we will go through together if you haven't already set this up on your machine. Those prerequisites are Node.js and npm, plus Visual Studio Code. So let's get started with testing Jest.